What's going on guys, I am Dhiman back with a new video. In this video I am going to show you guys how to create mobile mockup thumbnails. If you are a YouTuber or you want to make your screenshot look more attractive, then watch this video till end. So without wasting any more time, let's roll to intro.
I know everything.
First of all, go to link in description and download an application called Hishoot 2i. Then download some template APKs and also install them. Now open Hishoot 2i app. Press on this icon. Then press on this icon. From here, choose the template in which you want to set your screenshot. Press on this mobile icon, press on screen option and choose screenshot you want. Lastly, hide badge from here. That's it, your mockup is ready. Save it from here and enjoy. Check out these templates. If you want more, then let me know through comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I am Dhiman. I will see you guys in next video.